Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Litecoin. I'm actually not sure if I covered this. I wanted to cover it a couple of days back because Litecoin has been in a nice rally right here, or in a nice bullish market structure for the last week. So wanted to cover it. Not sure if I did that, but today, earlier this morning, we continued with the bullish momentum. I would say that we are at a significant resistance level here. So just wanted to give you my thoughts, bit of an analysis, kind of how I would trade this perhaps. And that's what we'll do. All right. So first of all, if we look at Litecoin right now, like I said, short term quite bullish. What's causing this? I don't know. With Litecoin, obviously, we had some sort of a narrative of a Litecoin ETF. I wouldn't say that's what's going on right now. I mean, if you look at Litecoin right now, and then at something like Cardano, it's very similar what they're doing, all right? So there seems to be something pushing up these older cryptos, someone buying them up, and that's also why I'm not too eager to trade Litecoin, because what that means, and with Litecoin, it's a little bit less visible or a little bit less clear than with Cardano. I mean, Cardano just looks like a big buy up right here, which will be sold off at a later point of time. With Litecoin, it also seems partially like that, but it also seems a little bit more organic. So I would be careful trading this because I cannot really find a good reason as to why this should be bullish, unless Bitcoin is starting to get bullish here. Then all of a sudden this looks very good. But then if you zoom out, like for Litecoin to really turn bullish, we would need to break above 77.5, and I don't see that happening. All right, at this point of time, there's by far not enough momentum. There's not enough speed, there's no real narrative, there's not enough volume. You can also see like this I don't like, right? I mean, you can see with Litecoin, if you look at the open interest right here, you get these big buy orders coming in. So right here earlier, like five hours ago, you get these big buy orders, and that's bullish, but you can bet that that's some sort of a big institution or whale who's going to sell off later. But all right, we'll get to that. I'm not sure what I did right here because all of a sudden the open interest is gone. Yeah, no idea. But no, all right. So if we look at Litecoin right now, we're at a resistance level. I would say if you look at the price right now, there's no indication of bearish momentum yet, right? So lower time frames, we are still bullish. So I would expect us to move up to that level at $72. And then at the very least that, and then the big question is all right, well, can we break above that 200 EMA and $72 key level? That's a strong resistance level, technically. So whether we can break above that or not, I think getting up there is likely with the momentum we have right now. Like we got some major buy orders coming in, like I said, which I now cannot load anymore, but let me quickly refresh that. We got some big buy orders coming in at recent prices, right? So it's unlikely that they'll sell off at these prices. So I would say $72 is likely. And then what we would like to see is some sort of a break above that. And whether that's possible depends slightly on how we react to $72. But I would say it's most likely that we will also break above that. But for that, I do, and rally up to 76 and 77. But for that, I would say like we don't, like the open interest needs to stay bullish, right? So if the open interest all of a sudden starts to decrease and Bitcoin starts to be bearish, we will not break above $72, and then that will be resistance and will consolidate down here at the very least, maybe even drop down. But I assume that momentum will still be good, and then this is most likely. Hopefully that made sense. It was a little bit hard to explain, but if not, I'll just keep you updated. But for now, that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.